Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a wash and go using Flawless by Gabrielle Union. As you can see, it left my hair shiny, defined, bouncy, and smelling absolutely delicious. The first thing I did was wash my hair with the Hydrating Detangling Shampoo and the 3-minute Restoring Conditioner. It left my hair hydrated, detangled, and ready to be styled. Next, I'm going to use the Detangling leave-in conditioner. I'm first going to spray it, and then I'm going to part my hair and begin to style it. I'm going to add a little bit more of the leave-in conditioner to each of the sections using my fingers. I'm going to make sure to run the product through my hair using the raking method. One of the things I noticed right away about this conditioner is that it's lightweight and it hydrated my hair as soon as it touched it. Another thing I noticed was that it detangles while you are styling, which I love products that do that. Next, I'm using the Restoring Exotic Oil Treatment. I'm going to add 1 or 2 drops to each of the sections and run it through with my fingers. It's supposed to soften, add shine, and reduce frizz. And I'm gonna say this is my favorite product of the whole line. It smells amazing and it really made my hair soft and shiny. The last product I'm using is the Defining Curl Cream, and we all know based off that first touch of the product and our hair if we're gonna have a bomb wash and go. And as you can see from the video, the moment that product touched my hair, I knew this was it. I knew. The curl cream is supposed to define and hydrate your hair, and it is doing exactly what it's intended to do, which makes me very happy. So all I'm gonna do is just continue to rake the product through my hair, making sure that every strand is completely saturated with the curl cream. Look at this, guys. Look at this. So what I'm gonna do now is just repeat the steps 1, 2, and 3. Leave-in, oil, curl cream. Besides the fact that my hair is loving these products, I love the fact that they are affordable. You can find them on Amazon and they're in the $10 range. After I'm done adding all 3 products, what I'm gonna do is let my hair air dry for about 15 minutes before I start using the diffuser. Now that I'm using the diffuser, I'm just gonna make sure to diffuse the opposite direction that I want the hair to fall. Boom! I am loving this wash and go. From the softness to the shine to the smell to the definition, it is everything you can ask for in a wash and go. So once again, I use Flawless by Gabrielle Union for my flawless wash and go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!